Terix Biochar for gardens has unique physical characteristics which makes it a valuable amendment for all soil types. In addition, this biochar is made by pyrocal from used wooden packaging that would have otherwise gone to landfill. Terix Biochar is an extremely stable material that has a minute honeycomb structure, making it ideal for improving all soil types. That honeycomb structure acts like a sponge, helping your soil to hold moisture and nutrients, making it available to plant roots for much longer than a soil without biochar. And the tiny pores in biochar are an ideal habitat for a large population of beneficial soil microbes, which are essential for good soil health and availability of nutrients to plants. Terix Biochar works best when incorporated with a quality compost or an organic fertiliser into the top 10 to 15 centimetres of your garden soil. The variable particle size of Terix Biochar improves its effectiveness in all types of growing media. Remember to moisten your biochar before incorporation into any garden soil. In a veggie garden, it's best to broadcast Terix Biochar at a rate of 2 to 3 litres per square metre, together with your preferred fertiliser at its recommended rates. For your first application, it's important to get your biochar and fertiliser at least half the depth of your digging fork tines into your soil. Make sure your soil is moistened and mulched. Once the soil is settled, maybe after a week or two, you can plant your seeds and seedlings. The soil should be quite microbially active and nutrient loaded by then. For planting into an established ornamental bed, dig your hole at least 3 times as wide and a tad deeper than the original pot your plant was in. Then incorporate Terix Biochar at an approximate rate of 10% of the planting hole volume. That's roughly 125 millilitres for tube stock plants, 500 millilitres or 140 millimetre or 6-inch pots, and 1.5 litres for 200 millimetre or 8-inch pots. Incorporating Terix Biochar for gardens, together with other good gardening practices, will improve the output from your productive patch and enhance the beauty of your ornamental gardens for years to come.